Alright, Rob Frazier here, using my software business, Ava Writes. Basically, since, still got some mental issues over my bird, creativity has been at an all-time low. However, using this Ava Writes for the My Software Business software, it makes social media posting a bit easier. So basically, let Ava write anything you can think of. This is software you get for free. So there's going to be a link underneath this video to go here. You can go here, create your free account. You get some other free software, but when you log in, you can get this Ava Writes and use it as such. So what I did, I typed in short LinkedIn post on the benefits of using an ad posting software to schedule social media posts in the future and using AI to write them. So basically, this is the post Ava came up with. Scheduling social media posts in advance and using AI to help write them can save time, blah, 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 maximize potential. Basically came up with a decent post. So I just simply copy that. After I copy that, I go over to it's called basically a CRM. But through my software business, you get the free social media posting software as well as Ava Writes. So this is where you get that software, get access to it, and this is the social media planner, and this is that post that I didn't have to come up with. Basically, I used the AI, I gave it a prompt, it spit out a post. I had an old picture that I've shared in the past, and that, I basically just have different pictures I just kind of recycle over and over again. And there is a decent social media post that I can schedule to go out now, or I can schedule it to go out in the future. And I can sit down and just come up with a whole month of content in advance, so I don't have to sit here and bang my head against the wall. And it's the same thing. I can do this for Facebook, Instagram, basically all the social medias. I think they even incorporated TikTok in here now. But yeah, that's it. Again, free software. Come down here, grab it. I'm going ahead and schedule this. What are we? February 7th, 2023. So I'm going to just schedule it. Actually, I'm going to just post it now and just keep banging out new posts. So that being said, I'm going to post this, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.